LAP Bones boys, I bet you didn't see the... I saw you guys had to see my bulge, man.
What LAP?
Sorry about the bulge. Hey, thank you guys for having me in the city, motherfucker. But matter of fact, let me discuss what happens when I'm on the street sometimes. I mean, just for some street motherfuckers. When I'm on the street sometimes, a motherfucker may call me Machine Gun Kelly, the other motherfucker may call me Killer. But you know what I've been hearing lately, all this shit? I've been hearing this shit.
Yeah, bitch, call me Steve.
Wait. Where's the lighter? Someone give me a lighter. Hold on. Where's the lighter? Oh shit. Okay, hey. You guys wanna know what I do? Hey, you guys wanna know what I do with the weed when I get this shit? Hey, Slim, you ready? I do this. I said it, I wouldn't. I
Wow.
Stop,